What's up guys, welcome to the channel, and in today's video we are going to talk about shorthand if else notations. So guys, if you haven't accessed my Python for absolute beginners in English playlist, you can go onto my channel and then click on playlist and you'll find this playlist here. So I recommend you all to watch from this playlist and just click on this video, and YouTube gives you a feature in which the playlist appears beside the video you're watching. So this is really comes in handy because you get to access the playlist right here while watching your video. So please make sure that you're watching from the playlist, and please access it. Also, as you know, I don't waste time, so I'll go to my PyCharm ID, and after that I'll click on a new Python file and I'll name it as if else shorthand. After this, I'm going to make a variable and I'm going to take an input. But before that, I'm going to print a statement, enter a number. I'm asking the user to enter a number, and I'm going to ask him to enter a number A, that is capital A. Okay, so I'll have to use escape sequences because I want double quotes and I don't want the Python interpreter to confuse between taking this double quote or this double quote. So I'm going to use an escape sequence. After this, I'm going to replicate this, and I'm going to ask the user to enter a number B, and then I'm going to make this as B. Okay, then I'll write an if statement right here. If A is greater than B, print A is greater than B. And if I run this, as you can see, it is asking me to enter a number A. So I'll enter 4, and after that I'll enter 2. As you can see, it says that A is greater than B. But if I cut this and if I write it like this, will the program run, guys? Write down in the comment section below right now that will this program run. Just put the timestamp and write your opinion on this. So I hope you have commented down your opinion below that this program will run or not. And if I run this program, as you can see, it is asking me to enter a number A. So I'll write 3 and then 2. As you can see, it has printed A is greater than B and executed what I wanted. So this is how we can use if and else shorthand. We can use one-liners for if and else. And in my previous video, I've seen comments that are saying that I should have used one-liner instead of if else statements, and I should not make the code bigger, I should shorten it out. And actually, I know about these tips and tricks that in Python we can use one-liners in if else statements. But guys, as you know, there is code readability on one side and code usability. These are all simple programs and small programs, and if I make these programs even one liners or even of 8 lines, the usability of memory, it is a very negligible difference. So I don't think so it really plays a major role in the code reusability. And I feel that the person who is reading the code, as some of the people who are watching this video are beginners, so I feel that they should be able to read my code. And for example, if I am a professional and I am at the advanced level of Python and I write shorthands everywhere, and I don't even explain to the beginners what are shorthands, so they won't even understand and they won't even be able to read the code. So that is why I'm using if else statements and not the shorthand version of it. Then we also have a shorthand notation like this, where print A is greater than B. So this is another shorthand notation which you can write. If A else print A is greater than A. As you can see, if I run this program and if I enter 3 and 4, it prints that B is greater than A. So that's how we can use if and else shorthand notations. And this is another method that you can apply. Number of lines does not matter, but the readability of the code does matter. Actually, in some cases where you have a large code like 1 million line code, in that, yes, one liners matter, and it does not really take your memory. It takes very slight memory, very small negligible memory of your computer. I wanted to make this video in my Python playlist to show you how we can write if else shorthand notations. And this was all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.